Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about some reasons to not use Monday.com. So there are some warnings which you need to understand before going ahead and creating your account. So right now you can see that we are at Monday.com and it's very neat and very decent over here. So before we go further, what is Monday.com? So Monday.com is a cloud-based work management platform that helps businesses automate their workflows and manage their project tasks and resources in one place. So it's also used for customer relationship management, CRM, software development, or human resources. So these are the things this will cover all of that. So it has been trusted by 152,000 plus customers worldwide, and you can see there are big names over here like Canva, Hulu, Coca-Cola, HubSpot, and EA, Universal Music Group. So these are some things, and some companies actually they are using this project management. So this is a big company, but obviously every company has their own their own cons, so they can improve them. So after a lot of research and every single thing looking at, we are understand that there are some things which is very, I mean, problematic for some people out there. So if we look at Forbes advisor, and Forbes say that let me show you that over here, it has been confusing pricing because of per seat user pricing. So what is going on with per seat pricing? So uh, in my opinion, Monday.com pricing is not per user, but it in groups actually of groups of seats. So the minimum user account is three. The per group pricing can prove expensive for businesses with team sizes smaller than the maximum number of users in that tier. So, for example, if your team has 35 members and you will still need to pay for 40 users. So this is very like I don't think this is good. And or if you have 8 members, you will be actually paying for 10 users. This is going to happen. And also that each plan, the plan pricing plan, also limits the number of actions, so between two integrated apps per month. So this is for instance, a standard plan allows for 250 actions per action, per month, while a pro plan allows 25,000 actions per month. So it's not good in my opinion. So we can compare that to different obviously different project management out there. If we see right over here, obviously it has been provided by Forbes advisor, every single information, some of them. And you can see that forever plan, HubSpot has CRM, and Monday.com has, but Zendesk and Pipedrive doesn't have that. So you can see that 20 like we were talking about paid plan starting price, right? So $24 per month billed annually for 3 seats, and $45 per month billed annually for 2 seats. But the way these seatings work is not easy to understand for every single person out there. And obviously they're gonna make it very simple in my opinion. So let's just move this over here, and there is some more over some more problems which people also face, that uh, 14 days trial. Obviously this is also one of the biggest things. Some of project management out there also providing 30 days trial, but I don't know, it also providing like 14-day trial. Otherwise it's showed that no card needed, unlimited time on unlimited time on free plan. But it doesn't it's not a free plan, it's just like a demo in my opinion. So whatever they are offering. So, and obviously we were talking about like minimum team size for of three, and like you have to get 3 team size, otherwise you can get pricing and plans over there. So if you click on pricing over here, you can see there are multiple things over here. You can see this is the free version and it's up to 2 seats, and it's not good in my opinion. It's not good. So this is only for like a demo in my opinion. So they are just offering a demo in free version, and you can see these are the basic and standard pro version out there. I'm not saying it's a bad project management, but obviously I'm just pointing out the cons, right? And there are a lot of pros, obviously, and which also like shadow those cons. So these are some reasons that you cannot use for, like you cannot use project management this Monday.com. Otherwise, there are so many pros out there, but we were talking about in this video we were talking about only cons. So I hope you understand what is going on Monday.com. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing accordingly. And please leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.